welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening this weird Allure box. I can't show the box just yet until I cut this plastic off because they like put your address right on the top. So this is the new Allure box. I don't know what this is going to look like or be like, but we're going to find out. So you open it. It comes with like this little booklet like normal. And then everything comes like wrapped, I guess, with tissue paper. Okay. So it looks like everything in this box is travel size. This is the first one I've ever gotten like this. So I guess we will see what is in here and go for it. Alright, so the first thing is a Cure Brightening Facial Scrub. So that's this cute little dude. That's that. And that retails for $10 full size. So that's actually not bad. So if this stuff works really well, that's not a bad deal. Alright, next is, I'm guessing these go together then. Perfect Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. Color protection, sulfate and paraben free. This is Nature Lab Tokyo. So that is those. And these are retail. I've never gotten shampoo and conditioner in any box I've ever gotten in my entire life. Okay, so those are usually $14 each, and that's what the packaging actually looks like. I wish that's what I got. That's way cuter than these, but they're cool. Okay, next is Ciate, I think is how you say it, London. This might be actually full-sized. This looks full-sized. So this is a dewy stick. I don't know if that is registering. So that's what that looks like. It's all like nice and pretty and white. I'm guessing you put it all over your face before you put on your makeup. And that is $26. And it's a highlighting beam. So that's cool. Next is this tiny little thing from La Roche-Posay. It's a lipicker. So it's a soothing relief cream. That's what that looks like. It's so tiny. Why are you not focusing? This, focus on this. No? Well, that's that. I don't know why I won't focus. But let's see how much that would retail for. So that is normally $14.99. So that's not too bad. And the last thing in here is from Laura Mercier. And it is the Translucent Setting Powder. I'm actually super excited to get this in a travel size. I have not actually tried this powder. I just know everybody and their mother is like massively obsessed with it. And it came with a little puff. So that is this together. And that normally retails for $39. I'm super excited to try that out and see if I like it because I know the whole world is like obsessed. So that was interesting. New. No little cute bag this time. I actually really liked those bags, so I'm kind of sad they are not making them. I don't know if they're making them anymore. I'll do this. I'll probably get another month or two. Just because I originally signed up for this for the Carly Bible collab, and I really liked everything that came in that. And then they've just been like, they've been good since then, but not this like as intense as that was. And now there's no even like, I mean, it's a legit beauty box now, but, and I guess I can keep this. The quality of this box is actually pretty nice. Like you could keep this and use it as long as you don't mind it saying Allure Beauty Box on it. But I really liked those bags that they were putting everything in. They were so cute. So it's just a little different, but it's cool. I got one full-size thing in that. Everything else is a travel size, which hasn't been the case with it before. I think that's another reason it's weird to me. Like this box is way smaller than the other box that it usually comes in. So it definitely doesn't hold as much stuff as it did before, but that's okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you get the Allure Beauty Box, comment below if you think it's weird that it changed this month or if it doesn't bug you at all. I'm just curious. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!